Going after him for what they done to us.
Yeah, for what they done to all of us.
Man destroys everything.
If Whitfield finds out, he'll kill him, Bill. And if he does, I swear to God, I will burn his fucking house to the ground with him in it.
He has been at war with this world since he first entered it.
Go fuck yourself.
War with its trees. War with its weather. So is everything else. If it was up to the wolves, it would be wolves and nothing else.
Take the blanket. Keep the blanket. You're pregnant. It's freezing.
Same goes for the bear, and the snake and the spider. Trees grow tall to rob sunlight from all beneath it. Nothing coexists. Life is a constant state of battle for survival. And only one thing reigns victorious: the world itself. Earth is not a benign rock condemned to endure countless little rapes from its inhabitants. It is a living, evolving, interactive being, capable of wiping all existence by the simplest of wobbles on its axis. There have been 5 mass extinctions on this planet, where almost all life was eradicated. Its occupiers cleansed from this place. It only stands to reason that a 6th one is coming.